Hello everyone, welcome back to Shopify store setup and customization full tutorials with Dawn theme. In the previous class, we have learned how to design home page, shop page using the Dawn theme default picture. But our ultimate goal is to customize the default picture, then develop new section to make it from simple store to professional killer high conversional store that directly boost your sales and help you to grow your business. So in this tutorials we're going to learn how to design a professional product page that is very important after home page and shop page. So I have already make a checklist in here what's required for us to make a professional product page. So here you can see that we have to add 10 element or pchart in the product page, and here is the list. You see, first of all we have to add hero product image. By default, if I go any product, for example going to this product, here is the hero product image. This is by default, but here you can see that if we can add video, product video, that will be more helpful because video work best than image. So to make it more professional, more premium, we can try to use video, but image is good enough for beginning or for beginner or for starting stage. Then we have to add title, price, dynamic discount, percentage. So let's see what we see in here. Here is the title, price, but no dynamic discount with percentage. But the good news is that I have already published a video how to show discount percentage on product page, so you can check on my YouTube channel and find this video. Like, just search, let me show you. I'm going to show you in live. You can go
Hello
to
everyone, welcome to you Shopify SEO Optim.
you can go to my YouTube channel, then search discount. Just search discount. You can see here is the show sales discount percentage. You see, I have already published this video 2 years ago, so you can follow this one. Also here is the another one 5 months ago. So just search discount on my YouTube channel, then you will find this video. Okay, then we have to add variant option like size, color, shade, sticky, add to cart button, product highlight, bullet point, review, trust base, FAQ, accordion, shipping, return, product care, related product, vandal, frequently brought together, Instagram, lifestyle, gallery. So we have to add this 10 section or p chart on our Shopify online store product page to make a premium conversion focused SEO friendly product page. So here also I make ready the product page template, you see, and now we are going to add information based on the product page to make it professional. Okay, so let's go back my store admin panel. Here is the product section. Then going to start working with this product. Okay, search this product, will work on here and start working to design this product following our template. So first of all, you can see that product title, we have product title, then add this text to make it more professional. Okay, then we have to add product highlight, bullet point, we have to add it, but we are going to add this on the customer section. For now, just going to add this description and add product name in here. Okay, perfect. Then the image, we skip this part because we'll add this part on the customer section. Then we have to add variant. So now going to add variant section. So where is the variant? Yes, here is the variant. We're going to add variant size. Here is the size. Option name. You see, okay, here is the option name, option value, and perfect. Click on the done. We have added variant. We can add another variant like color, and black, white, pink. Okay, just keep it as it. Color, we have added this variant. Color, rules, just rules, a flower name, or we can keep it blue. Okay, and now we have added the variant. And dynamic pricing show percentage discount when sales price applied. For now we just adding the discount compare price or sales price. Click on it. Okay, and it's okay for now. And what's else missing? We're going to ignore the show percentage because when we start customization then we can show the percentage. Then we have to add review trust base. We have to add this part on the customer section, FAQ and related product. Okay, frequently bought together, special combo offer. Okay, lifestyle Instagram gallery. And for now there are no more options to add in here. Okay, we have added the title, description, product image, also added variant. I have removed others color variant value from here because I want to make the work fast, but everything work as first one. So I hope you understand, because if I keep others value then I have to import more data for this product. That will take too much time for you. So I want to show you the actionable process that you can take right now and to apply on your Shopify online store. Okay, so if I visit our store right now, let's see more preview. Wow, it looks good, and you can see that we have added product title, image, compare price, and here is the variant. You see, here is the variant. Also we have added the color variant and product description, and then the footer section. But as we are following a standard Shopify product page design structure, that means we are missing a lot of things by default from our product page. You see, just added title, image, price. Now we want to make it as our template, following our template. So let's go back on the customer section. So click on the online store, then click on the edit theme. Okay, we are right now on the customize section. Now go to this product because we want to work on the product page. Okay, and let's follow our template. First of all, we have done this part. Now going to add product highlight section. So copy this text and we want to add this content in here. So click on the product information and add block, click on the add block, and here we are going to click on the text, and on the text block we can add content. You see, subtitle, and we can add break in here. Just add br. Yes, br work in there. Br, another br, another br. Copy the br or type br, type br, br. Perfect. Now we can move this text on the bottom, move this text under the buy now button, and above the add to cart or above the description as following our template. You see, and we have added the variant also. So that's mean we have done so far. Click on the save, click save, and we can view this page. You see, it does not save it now. Reload. Okay, we have to move it again. Description, we have moved it, but it does not update, so reload again. Sometimes we have to keep patient when you don't see the result after working the following correct direction, or you see it does not move. Yes, now it's work. And then we have to add the review and trust base, review and trust base. Okay, for review and trust base we have to use apps or develop custom section for review and trust base, but for now I just adding the section rich text, just going to add information in here, then we will make updated content. So just write review and trust, review and trust base. We will then add this content. Okay, looks good. And perfect. For now just keep it as it, just we can follow our template. Okay, keep it as it or like previous, looks good. Click on the save. Then we have to add FAQ section, so now going to add new section that's names FAQ. So add a new section. Okay, going to add collapsible content. To add FAQ, here is the collapsible content, just drag and drop it above email like section. Collapsible content, first of all change the title FAQ, then going to add FAQ content. So simple process. Okay, and then add some text. Okay, looks good. Then add another FAQ content, same process. can I return? Okay, then add the answer, then add another question, coffee, then edit, and you can see that there is a mistake on the spelling, how long. Okay, now looks good, and click on the save. So we have added this section also, and now we have to add related product. You can see that they are already by default. You can see the related product. Just change the title, related product. Okay, we have added it, and we can change the design of related product from here, product count, column, and also others relevant things by default option, using their default option. Then we can add bundle and combo offer, bundle or frequently bought together. So going to add a text section, because by default no option to add bundle product in here, so that's why just add a text section for now, so that we can understand. We have to add a section, dynamic section for bundle special combo offer. Okay, something like that. Just add the content in here, so that we can easily add dynamic section when we start development. Okay, and finally we have to add Instagram gallery. So this also missing by default on the Shopify drone theme, and that's why we're going to add Instagram gallery type a section. Let's see which one we can add. No section to add Instagram gallery, so that's why click on the add new section, rich text, and just add a text name Instagram gallery. Okay, and going to remove others part from here button. We'll add Instagram gallery in here. So that's meant first of all going to click on the save and review. Yes, looks good. We have added product title and image, description, bullet point. We have to make it more professional bullet point, trust and review base, FAQ, frequently bought together, Instagram gallery, but there as no option. We just keep it as it, but by default we can work another things. We can make the title, no option to make it small, and product information we can with yes small, perfect, we make it small. Okay, also we can work on here layout, 2 column, height, thumbnail, position left right, we can change it, open light box, click on hover as we like, loop video. If you use video, then we can add video in here, then we can loop the video, but as there are no videos, so that means we cannot add video looping feature. Product information. Okay, everything looks good as default or by default. In the next tutorials we are starting working on the other pages, also working to customize to make it more professional, more user friendly, and to make it more engaging, so that help it to boost your sales and grow your business. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.